Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Algorand has formed this broadening rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. And now you can see that recently, once again, Algorand is bound from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, and it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And this time, if it will be able to break out this long-term resistance on, then there will be a very high probability that the price then may form another higher than previous high, like it is doing every time after getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see that once again it is bounced, and this time it can move somewhere here, approximately at 50 cents, to form another higher than previous high. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that is happened on this 7 days time frame chart. And then at the same time, Algorand is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that we have crossed up the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and right now it is trying to break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And we will also watch this move. And I would also like to show you this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well that Algorand has formed on this 7 days time frame chart. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this resistance zone is also working as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Scale Network, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 5th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price then moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and rally to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously, you can see that it has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. I've been telling you that this is the bullish mass pattern. Therefore, there is a very high probability that after breaking out this wedge, the price and may also try to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And you can see that it has happened. The price then rallied slightly beyond this resistance zone and tried to break it out. But during this move, you can see that the price then also formed this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs. Like here it happened. After that, it formed another higher than previous high. Then we again bounced from the support. We formed another higher than previous high. And this time the price ended again getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. By the way, the technical target for the previous breakout from this wedge was here at 25 cents. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. And this time, if it will be able to break out this resistance of 30 cents, then it can form another higher than previous high, like it is doing every time somewhere here, approximately at 50 cents. And now if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out a very huge falling wedge pattern. And during this move, we have also formed another inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And now if we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder breakout, the expected breakout, that target will be, by the way, here. That will be approximately at $1.13. Right now, you can see that Algorand is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that at the same time, once it will be breaking out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, at the same time, it will be also breaking out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this cloud resistance will be flipped into a strong and long-term support for the price line, and this cloud can then also lift the price into the upside as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.